Hey guys, it's Big C. It is Friday night. Going to do the Strata break that ended. It's 10:05, Friday, December 21st. So we'll go ahead and we will do the sheet. Actually, a few teams. This is the Strata too, by the way. A few teams did not sell. Looks like the Bills, the Chiefs, Falcons did not sell. Cardinals, Saints, Lions did not sell. Eagles, Chargers, Steelers, and then the Titans did not sell. I believe that's it. So here we go with the Strata. Get 4 hits. There's actually some pretty neat hits in this stuff. Alright, there we go. Good luck to everybody. And we're off. Jared Allen, Mario Williams, Aaron Rodgers, Jay Cutler, Mark Marion, and Brian Quick base. Alex Smith, Chris Johnson, Brock Osweiler, Seattle, Jersey. 192 out of 296. Broncos are Seattle. And then RG3. And Stephen Ridley, Roddy White, Mohamed Sanu, Dwayne Allen. Mario Manningham, Kevin Cobb, Vincent Jackson, Clay Matthews, Luke Kuechly, and Courtney Upshaw. Let's see, just TJ Grant, his base cards. Cam Newton, Peyton Hillis, Case Keenum, Texans, Panther 8U, I guess. For the Texans, gets that one. And base. CJ Spiller, Kobe Fleener, Doug Martin, rookie base. Michael Turner, Brian Tannehill, Dante Hightower, Ryan Matthews, AJ Green, Trent Richardson, Ray Rice, Reggie Bush, Justin Blackman, and David Wilson. Actually, I think that is the thick packs. We'll put that on the bottom. I think. I don't know. Not for sure. But we shall see. Save that for the end. Josh Freeman. Peyton Manning. Jake Locker. And there is numbered cards out of this too, right? Russell Wilson. I don't think we've had any go by yet. I've been kind of watching for them, and I don't think I've seen any. Mike Wallace. Dez. Die cut. I think that's the same one we got in the last box too. Justin Blackman. Lamar Miller. Brock Osweiler. Randy Moss, Steven Jackson, Nick Tim, Bernard Pierce. Joe Adams, 35 out of 99 for the Panthers. That's Seattle. And the last two, I think the last pack has Reese Claiborne. And the last pack, see if we can get a good one. And we'll pull these up. Got AJ Green, Patrick Willis, Steve Johnson, Steven Jackson, and Ryan Broyles for the Lions. And actually, Big C got the Lion. So there you have it, guys. Again, appreciate it. Keep checking them out. Big C 2014. Thanks, man.